In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails on Klaviyo in just 5 minutes. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing tool, perfect for businesses looking to foster better communication and engagement with their audience. Whether you're new to email marketing or just need a refresher, this straightforward guide will take you from logging in to successfully sending out a campaign. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to www.klaviyo.com. If you already have an account, the next step is to log in by clicking on the login button. This takes you to your personalized dashboard where you can access all the features Klaviyo has to offer. Once you're on the dashboard, glance over to the left panel and click on Campaigns. This section is the heart of your email communication, allowing you to manage all your email campaigns easily. After clicking on Campaigns, you'll see the option to Create Campaign. Go ahead and select that. Now, you'll need to specify the type of campaign you want to create. For this tutorial, we're focusing on emails, so click on Email. At this point, it's also a good idea to give your campaign a descriptive name. This helps keep your campaigns organized and easily identifiable later on. Next, it's time to select your recipient list or segment. This is a crucial step because effective email marketing depends heavily on targeting the right audience. Ensure you choose the correct list or segment that best fits the objective of your campaign. With your recipient selected, click Continue to Content. This is where you get to start crafting the email message itself. You have the option to either start from scratch or to use one of Klaviyo's pre-designed email templates. If you're pressed for time or just want to ensure a polished look, the templates can be a great starting point. After selecting a template, it's time for customization. Edit the template by adding your unique text, images, and buttons. Klaviyo's editor is intuitive and makes it easy to design a visually appealing email that draws your recipient's attention. Once the design is complete, it's critical to test your email. Use the preview feature to see how your email will appear to recipients. You can also send test emails to yourself, which is a great way to check how your design looks in different email clients and devices. If you're satisfied with the look and functionality of your email, the final step is to decide when to send it. You can choose to send it right away or schedule it for a later date and time depending on your strategy. Finally, when you're ready, click Send Campaign. And that's it. Sending an email on Klaviyo is as simple as that. With these steps, you're well on your way to reaching your audience effectively and efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.